Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can move switch to another household on The Sims 4. So, I'm like at another person's house, kind of like the other household. Where is that person? It's not there. Oh, well, you'll need to find like another person for this to work. Oh, she's inside. You're just going to basically select the switch control to this household to switch. If it will just work. And then you're just going to select just switch to household or save and switch to household. And you're going to play as the other household in The Sims 4. And that is how you can switch households on The Sims 4. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.